For decades, merchants have paid the price to accept credit cards. What if they didn't have to? Introducing the Edge program from Signature Payments, a smarter way to price, a stronger way to profit. This is where control comes back to the merchant. But before control comes back, we have to understand the problem. Credit card processing has been quietly draining merchants for decades. Every tap, every swipe, every transaction, a percentage disappears. While customers earn the rewards, the miles, the perks, the merchant pays the bill. And for most businesses, those rates and fees have felt untouchable, unavoidable, until now. Introducing the Edge program from Signature Payments, a smarter way to price. Instead of absorbing every fee, merchants can clearly present two prices, one for cash, one for card. Transparent, simple. Strategic, the control shifts back where it belongs. And this isn't a workaround. It's a true dual pricing program. Enabled by the Edge program, merchants set item-level prices, one for cash, one for card. No hidden math, no complicated structures. It's familiar, just like the two-price system at gas stations, clear, transparent, and understood. And this isn't limited. Dual pricing through the Edge program works in all 50 states. No regional restrictions, no compliance patchwork, no uncertainty. Wherever your merchants operate, Edge operates with them, from coast to coast. And here's where it becomes powerful. Edge acts as the offset mechanism. Card payments remain at the standard retail price. Cash-paying customers receive a discount, up to 5%. The merchant isn't absorbing the fee anymore. The pricing structure does the work. Two prices, clearly displayed, strategically structured. The result? Lower effective processing costs, without raising base pricing across the board. Now let's clear something up. Edge is not a surcharge. A surcharge is a line item fee added on top of the purchase, and it's not even legal in every state. It also comes with strict card brand rules, registration requirements, and percentage caps. That's not what we do. We don't add fees. We structure pricing correctly from the start. No surprise line items, no compliance gray areas. We don't do surcharging. We do something better. And here's where it becomes even more powerful. Edge doesn't just protect merchants, it strengthens partner residuals. With structured dual pricing, you're not compressing margins to stay competitive. You're building sustainable revenue, higher program flexibility, up to 5% cash discount capability, stronger merchant retention. When merchants win, partners win bigger. That's the Edge advantage. And when it's time to present Edge, confidence wins. Start with one question. How much did you pay in processing fees last year? Let them say the number. Then show them what that number really means. If they paid $30,000 at a 20% margin, they would need $150,000 in new sales just to replace that loss. Switching to Edge, that's like adding $150,000 in revenue overnight. And when they say, "My customers won't like it," you answer simply, "They can pay cash and save." That's not a fee. That's a choice. Winning the deal starts with opening the door. You don't lead with rates. You lead with questions. How much did you spend in processing fees last year? Then pause. Would you rather have that money back in your bank account? Or ask this, do you ever raise prices to cover expenses? Because now, they can adjust pricing at the point of transaction while still offering a lower cash option. That's not pressure. That's positioning. And once Edge is live, it's simple. No confusing interchange tables, no buried percentage breakdowns, just streamlined 3-section statements, deposit detail summary, transaction details, billing charges. That's it. Clear reporting. Clean reconciliation. Because powerful programs should also be easy to understand. Edge isn't just for new accounts. It's one of the most powerful portfolio upgrades you can offer. Move your existing merchants to Edge and immediately increase portfolio profitability. Protect them from competitive rate shopping. Upgrade their equipment. Strengthen their retention. Eliminate PCI and unnecessary layered fees through flat rate structure. This isn't just a sale. It's a long-term merchant strategy. And powering it all is our Edge-compatible hardware. Modern PCI-compliant terminals. Fully integrated. Fully secure. With Pay Anywhere and Ingenico devices, merchants can display both prices directly on the customer-facing screen. Cash price, card price, clear, transparent, built in. And with our flat rate structure, PCI fees are eliminated. This isn't a workaround. It's engineered into the system. And for merchants who need more than a terminal, we've built that pathway too. Edge is compatible with robust POS systems available through the POS Pros, live demos, trusted partners, Systems built to scale with growing businesses. When the opportunity calls for a full upgrade, you have the support to close it. Because Edge isn't limited to one device. It's built to integrate with the systems serious merchants rely on. And Edge isn't locked into one system. It runs across a growing ecosystem of hardware and software platforms, from Pay Anywhere to Paradise POS, Mint, retail cloud and custom application builds. Whether your merchant is retail, hospitality, specialty vertical, or scaling into something bigger, Edge integrates. Because the goal isn't limitation, it's flexibility. Let's talk return. A POS investment may feel like a commitment, but securing the account is the objective. If the merchant is willing to invest in their infrastructure, even better. Because once Edge is running, this program becomes extremely profitable. You're not just placing equipment, you're building long-term residuals. And if you want exact projections, partner relations can help you calculate the numbers. This isn't theory, it's math. Enrolling a merchant in Edge is straightforward. Inside the Signature Payments portal, start a new application. Select the appropriate equipment, then choose the Edge program during enrollment. That's it. 3 steps, simple execution, powerful outcome. Edge works when it's set up correctly. So here's what matters. Do your homework. Know the merchant's monthly volume. Know their average ticket. If they're under $15 per ticket, add the appropriate transaction fee. Set up Edge accounts with PIN debit disabled. And make sure the merchant understands the savings. Now what not to do. Don't enroll a merchant without knowing their numbers. Don't place equipment without understanding their operational needs. And don't forget to explain that Edge pricing does not show a surcharge line item on the receipt. Precision matters. When you price correctly, the program performs correctly. Edge is structured as a compliant cash discount program. Here's why. We provide proper customer signage explaining that all items have both a cash and a non-cash price. Transparency at the point of sale matters. And there is no surcharge line item on the receipt. The price displayed is the price paid. That distinction is what separates compliant cash discounting from traditional surcharging. Clarity protects the merchant. Structure protects the program. Both sales partners and merchants benefit directly from this program. Edge creates transparency. It protects profitability. And it builds stronger long-term relationships. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your partnership. We're excited to help you grow your portfolio the right way. Let's move forward together.